Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This 650cc twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 400 miles on the odometer. Liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, practically brand new. It's got the engine guards and the shad lockable luggage side cases. Fender eliminator, only 400 miles. Come on by and make your midweight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous matte black Kawasaki Vulcan S. Only $69.99. This is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.